I made this memorial frame to commemorate my grandpa who passed away 2 years ago. I'm going to share with you this free SVG file along with my design so you can make your own memorial frame. Let's get started.
Please subscribe and ring the bell.
Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks on how to upload the memorial frame wings in Design Space for free, and I will also be providing this link in the description below in my channel. So you just go to your search engine here, and it's ginacreates.com. It's called the 3D Memorial Angel Wings. And towards the bottom, all you need to do is click download. This will be a zipped file, so I'm going to show you how to unzip the file. I will be on a Mac. All you need to do is open up your Finder and then go to downloads, and here is the file in loving memory. This one unzipped it already, so this was the zipped file. It just automatically did it. If you're on an Apple, all you need to do and it doesn't unzip it is just double click and it will open up the file. If you are on a PC, all you need to do is right click and say extract all to unzip. Then you go down to Cricut Design Space, you go to upload and upload image and browse, and you find yours. Mine was called in loving memory, or mine saved as that. Then you want to look for the SVG version, click open. And this one you do not need to do any erasing all. So all you need to do is click on cut and upload. Then you click on the image and insert. Then you need to figure out sizing. So based on your frame, I would make sure you have them a little bit smaller so it doesn't look too crowded. Then what I did was add, because someone we loved is in heaven, there's a little bit of heaven in our home. And I'll just briefly show you how to use the curve feature if you haven't used it before. It is only available on a computer. It is not available on the phones at this time. So I'm just going to type this in. I'm not going to worry about the font. I'm going to make it a little smaller. Then all you do is go up here to curve and you move the dial to the left or the right, and you just determine how steep you want the curve to be. And then for the bottom, I just moved the dial on this side to curve it up. And that's how I got the curved text. Now for over here, if there's a reason that you want to move individual layers, all you need to do is highlight this and click ungroup. It is going to group the wings separately, the heart, and this little banner up here. But if, for instance, this banner up here, I want to have the name of my grandpa written on it, I just hit ungroup again, then I can move the outside. And then what I did was I just entered my text and I changed the font to a writing font, a real thin one. And then after that, I just repositioned it on here, changed the operation to pen, and then I just made it a little bit bigger and curved it just slightly so it could fit on here a little bit better. And then when you're doing the pen, you need to attach it to what you're writing on. So that's why it's important to be able to ungroup these, or else when you go to attach, this part's going to disappear. So you need to be able to ungroup. What I did is I highlight those and then hit attach. And then that way this, you can see here, it's going to handwrite the name and then cut it out. There's not too many reasons you would need to ungroup the wings, but all you do to do that is ungroup them, and then you can move different layers. I guess if you want to change colors or whatever for that one, then you can ungroup those. For the heart, I decided to write the dates that my grandpa was alive, but you can also put a photo on here. So all you would need to do is upload the photo, but again, you probably want to ungroup that and then slice the photo out, the smaller one, so then it will have a border. And then I also turned a photo of my grandpa into an SVG and placed that on the front. I do have a tutorial that explains how to do that you can click above, link to walk through how to upload a photo and turn it into an SVG.
If you love my mommy's video, give her a thumbs up.